How to see hidden following list on TikTok. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To see the hidden following list on TikTok, basically open up your TikTok application first and foremost. So right over here, firstly to check the following list, it is pretty simple. You can tap on your profile and check on the followers list or following list to see the person's ID. Or if you already know the ID, just go ahead and search for it. Now to check for the following list, you can just tap on the following option right here and you'll be able to check the following of the current user. However, it will also depend upon the privacy setting of the user itself. If the user has a private account or if they have some of the privacy setting regarding the information such as the following and the followers or the like options, then you will not be able to check their following list. And this is something you cannot do on your end. We hope that you found this video informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.